Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use manual landing in Riders Republic step by step. Start by approaching the landing at a steady, moderate speed and keep your body centered. Bend your knees slightly to absorb impact and focus on smooth weight transfer from front to rear. Practice releases and adjustments on gentle slopes before attempting steeper drops, and always reset your stance after touchdown for stability. In this video, I will explain how to use manual landing in Riders Republic step by step. Time your manual initiation a split second before touch, holding the analog input steady to control pitch. Combine subtle trigger pressure with stick adjustments to fine-tune balance and release smoothly as wheels or board meet ground. Practice on varied terrain to learn timing differences and build consistency by repeating the same approach. In this video, I will help with manual landing in Riders Republic step by step. Watch for overcorrections that upset balance and lead to crashes, and avoid excessive speed that amplifies impact forces. Keep posture neutral and make controlled micro-adjustments rather than large inputs. If you clip an edge, abort by shifting weight and recentering, then retry the run more conservatively to build reliable muscle memory and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.